Everybody talks about Weebly as one of the most essential replacements to Shopify. The question is it true? Let's have a conversation about that. Is Weebly a great e-commerce platform? First of all, welcome back to the show. I really appreciate having you here into this conversation. And to answer that question, I want to first give you an overview of Weebly. Let's have a clear idea about what we're talking about so we know exactly the ins and outs of the tool, okay? So Weebly is really a beginner-friendly website builder that allows users to create a website without any coding knowledge, okay? It's a great option for those who want to create a professional website or online store quickly and without a steep learning curve, because Weebly has a drag and drop editor, okay? And so Weebly is also one of the most affordable site builders on the market based on our analysis, okay? And they give you a free option as well as a premium plan. I mean, several premium plans that start around $5 to $15, okay? If you choose annual billing. Let's quickly get into the pros and cons of Weebly. So Weebly pros, you have a free plan forever. You have a competitively priced set of premium plans. It's very easy to use, so user experience is really important for Weebly. No programming skills are required. You have free SSL security, and they do offer e-commerce features. What about the cons? Well, the thing here is that the site will display Square ads unless you are paying for the professional plan and above. By the way, Weebly is owned by Square, so this is important to really know that. So you do have the Square Online offer, and then you also have the Weebly offer, okay? And so you have a limited customization options, and the phone support is only available on professional plan and above, okay? So basically, when you think about Weebly, I want you to think about this is sort of limitations, but also this sort of opportunities. So you do have unlimited bandwidth. You have a mobile responsive website, okay? You have a drag and drop functionality. You have social media marketing tools, email marketing tools, fantastic, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that, by the way, Weebly is a SaaS offer, a software as service offer. Okay, so basically you're paying every month, and you don't have to download software on your computer, so you can access your Weebly store anywhere around the world. So this is kind of cool. So overall, this is like a mid-tier sort of offer. It's not a big tier offer such as Shopify or BigCommerce or Wix or Squarespace. It's a mid-tier offer. Let's talk about the features that are really important here. So when we talk about Weebly, by the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's conversation. The topic, I'm giving you a Weebly review, an in-depth review. Okay, I want to pay attention to the core features that you have in Weebly. What makes Weebly sort of unique? Well, you do have a website builder and themes. You have a great sort of like Weebly's forte revolves around its website builder and the themes. So website builder, we're talking about the drag and drop website builder. Fantastic. Okay. So you need to, if you want to use Weebly, you first need to create an account. You can choose to create a website or online store. So if you choose to create a website, you'll be able to select from over 38 to 45 themes. And if you want to create an online store, you'll be able to select from 15 themes. So you can see that the quantity of themes is lower on the e-commerce front. Okay, so you have to pick in your theme. You simply want to swap out the images and the text to personalize your website. You can also add, delete, and move around sections with a click of a button or drag of a mouse. So this is drag and drop. Okay, Weebly's themes are responsive, so they will automatically adjust to fit any screen size. And if you want more control over your website's design, you can always switch to HTML CSS editor. You also have the blogging capability in Weebly, so you can add blog articles to your website with ease using Weebly's built-in blog. To keep certain posts or pages private, you can password protect them on your website. For example, you might add a password to a post with a secret video lesson only available to paying members or newsletters subscribers. So what I'm trying to say here is you can actually sell digital products in addition to physical products through Weebly. Okay. And what about e-commerce? So if you want to create an online store, Weebly has you covered. It offers everything you need to get started, such as shopping cart, product pages, and payments through Square or other third-party providers. Okay, and it also has built-in integrations with popular payment processors such as PayPal and Stripe. And if you want to take your store to the next level, you can always upgrade to Weebly's professional plan or higher. So this will unlock more features such as Google Ads credit, item badges, a shipping calculator, and coupon codes. So just don't forget that Weebly again is owned by Square Online, if you will. And so Weebly, you can always have the same sort of features from Square Online. You can see them in Weebly as well. Let me quickly talk to you about the pricing here. So the pricing is really important to really think about. So what is the pricing we're talking about here? So what does Weebly really cost? So Weebly does have a free plan. This is important to mention here. So there's a free plan. So, but the free plan is kind of limited though. With the free plan, you get SSL certificate. You can add third-party embed codes, capture leads. You can add your Instagram feed and get chat and email support. But it's really basic. Okay. It also provides e-commerce solutions, including a shopping cart, unlimited items, item badges, item options, quick shop, inventory management, in-store pickup, automatic task calculator, coupons, and Square gift cards. Okay. So this is kind of cool. And then you have the three premium plans, not the premium, the three paid plans. So you have the personal plan, you have the professional plan, and they have the performance plan. By the way, I want you to see on the screen right now, here is the pricing for Weebly as of the date of this show. Okay, so let's quickly, when we talk about the personal plan, now the personal plan comes with everything in the free plan, but also allows for a custom domain, digital goods, shipping calculator, shipping labels, and pop-up notifications. So if you are on the personal plan, you are not going to be able to sell physical products. You can sell digital goods, but not physical goods. Okay, and on the professional plan, you basically will have everything in the personal plan, but also have unlimited storage, advanced site stats, a free domain, password protection, a removal of Square ads, and phone support. That's something I totally forgot, that if you are on the personal plan, you will have Square ads. Okay, and it's something that you really don't want to have, but hey, listen, it is what it is. And on the performance plan, this is really the top plan, and that plan costs about $26 to $50 per month. Okay, when billed annually, it comes with everything in the professional plan, as well as item reviews, payments through PayPal, abandoned cart emails, advanced e-commerce insights, and priority support. Now, one thing that's really important, if you're really serious about e-commerce and you want to bring your e-commerce game to a next level, and you're serious about choosing Weebly, we would advise you, based on our extensive research, to go with the performance plan. This is where the juice is really at. You get all the capabilities you need to bring to scale your e-commerce store. Let's talk about the tools that are available in Weebly, so you have a clearer idea of what's really happening here. Okay, and one thing I also want to say here is that when we talk about Weebly, we have to understand what's really possible here. Okay, and so by the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Weebly. I'm giving you a Weebly an in-depth review, so you have a clear idea of the conversation we're having today. So there are additional tools and functionality that you need to pay attention to. So you have the App Center. So Weebly does have an App Center that gives you the ability to add features to your website without having to code. For example, you can add a call-out box or FAQ section. There are both free and paid apps available. This is kind of cool, and you do have SEO features. So Weebly actually offers a variety of SEO features to help you rank higher in search engines. Okay, for example, one thing we have seen is that you can add meta tags, alt tags. So alt tags are the one that you add to your pictures. Okay, you can add alt tags, page specific descriptions, meta descriptions, responsive designs, and titles to your pages. Plus, its professional plan and above come with Google Ads credit to help you get started with paid advertising. So this is kind of cool. And so everything about CPC, you get some kind of a little credit to just kind of help you get going. And in terms of extra tools that you will love, the email marketing tool is kind of cool. It's not as advanced as something like MailChimp or like Sendinblue or Aweber or Constant Contact, but it is something. Okay, so with Weebly's email marketing tool, you can send newsletters, promotional emails, and automated emails to your subscribers. Plus, it also offers a variety of customizable templates to choose from. So this is really good. And so you can build your list, you can segment and nurture your list with its drag and drop layouts. Its email marketing tool is called Weebly Promote, and it's available for its Business Plus plan. Okay. What about analytics and reporting? Well, Weebly does provide basic analytics for with all its plans. For example, you can see how many people visited your site, where they came from, and what pages they viewed. If you want more detailed reports, you need to upgrade to professional plan and above for advanced stats. Okay, again, the juice is really happening where you go to the business plan or the professional plan. Let's talk about the ease of use here. Okay, so when we talk about Weebly, what is really how easy? That's the question. How easy is the Weebly to use? Well, based on our analysis, we think that with the Weebly editor is one of the easiest website builders to use. Whether you're speaking about the e-commerce function or you're thinking about just a regular website. Okay, to add content, simply click on the element you want to add, and a pop-up window will appear. And from there, you can add text, images, videos, maps, and more. And if you want to move an element around, simply click and drag it to where you want it. And if you want to add a new element to your page, click on the add button, the plus add button in the top left corner. So this is very simple. Okay. And from here, you can choose from a variety of elements such as text boxes, like images, videos, social media buttons, and more. The thing that's important that we love here is that in terms of ease of use, you always have an icon, you have a pop-up. They always ask you, they always suggest your next move to you. So you have some kind of the questionnaire the questionnaire sort of model that tells you what's next. So this is really easy. They're really intuitive, nothing complicated at all. You don't need to have a PhD in coding, not even have a high school degree in coding if there is something like that. But yeah, so this is how easy Weebly is when it comes for user experience. And Weebly is totally safe. Okay, it's safe. It's a secure platform. By the way, as I just said, Weebly is owned by Square, which is like a biggie in the whole e-commerce thing. Square does have a POS solution, so point of sale solution. So when it comes to security and safety, they really have a tight grip on that subject. So Weebly uses SSL encryption to protect your data and offers a free SSL certificate with all its plans. Plus, it's backed by Square, so you can be sure your payments are processed safely and securely. Okay. And so Weebly customer service and support is kind of cool also. So each professional plan and above provides phone support for its customers. You can also access a community forum, chat support, and email support. Its knowledge base contains articles for commonly asked questions as well as an inspiration center to help you get started. So while it doesn't offer 24/7 support, you can send an email at any time, and its customer service team will respond during business hours. So this is kind of cool. Okay, so overall, great proposition. What about the alternatives? Let's just talk about the alternatives here, okay? So when we talk about Weebly, you have a constellation of alternatives, okay? You have WordPress, you have Squarespace, you have Wix, okay? Now, the thing here is that Weebly is a great option for those who want to create a website quickly and easily without having to learn to code because its drag and drop interface is just easy to use. I just said that. Now both Squarespace and Wix have drag and drop features too. But WordPress offers the most customization options compared to its competition. Okay, Weebly is also a great option for those who want to use their own domain name because it offers a free domain with its professional plan. Wix gives you a free domain name, but when you purchase an annual plan, but only for the first year. Squarespace gives you a free custom domain for your first year, provided you are on an annual plan. WordPress hosts usually provide the same option as Squarespace. Okay, so this is really what you have to think about. And so if we were to think about Weebly versus Squarespace, it really depends on what you really are looking for. If you are after a cosmetically, like aesthetically pleasant templates, for instance, or unlimited storage, you want to go with Squarespace. Okay, if pricing is an issue for you, you want to go with Weebly. If blogging is an issue for you, if blogging is important for you, you want to go with Weebly. If we were to compare Weebly quickly to Wix, now Wix wins hands down when it comes to the constellation, that like the sheer number of templates. I mean, Wix has more than 800 templates. Okay, I mean Weebly has about 50, 75 maximum. So if you really are interested in that, then you want to go with Weebly. And we want to go with Wix. But if you're okay with having a very simple website, not simple, but a decent website that allows you to be online real quick, then it's good. Go with Weebly. What about Weebly versus a WordPress? Well, Weebly, the thing is that, Weebly is like a website building 101, and WordPress is like advanced website building 601 or 701, right? So you have a steep learning curve with WordPress, but there is no doubt it's the most versatile, customizable option available. So, we're not really comparing apples to apples here, okay? But hey, listen, I'm just giving you options. Obviously, there are other options. You have the Shopify of the world, the BigCommerce of the world also. So here is a verdict for you. So is Weebly right for you? That's a big question that we really have to think about. The first thing is that Weebly for personal use is kind of cool because Weebly is a free plan. Is perfect for basic websites such as announcing a wedding or creating a simple blog to keep families or classroom parents updated on the growth and development of children, for example. It's one of the easiest platforms to use, making it ideal for personal sites with no need for coding skills. This is for personal use. Okay. Now, if you were to think about Weebly for business use, it really depends on the type of goals that you have at the business level. So let's say if you're looking for a simple drag and drop website builder with e-commerce features at an affordable price, you'll probably enjoy using Weebly. However, if let's say you need more customization options or a wider range of phone support, you may want to consider another option such as Wix, or for more comprehensive e-commerce features, Shopify or Squarespace to a certain extent. Okay, so Weebly is free to use to a certain extent. So they do offer a free plan that includes a free SSL certificate, the ability to add third-party embed codes, capture leads, manage inventory, accept coupons, add your Instagram feed, and get chat and email support. But hey, listen, you are going to get Square ads. As long as you're okay with that, that's fine. And so Weebly, if you want to think about it that way, it is a good website builder for those who are looking for an easy to use platform with drag and drop features. Okay. And so it's also a great choice for businesses that need, let's say, e-commerce features at an affordable price. Okay. So this is really what you have to think about. And you always have to think about what your goals are. Okay. Your goals should drive your decision to either go with a Weebly or not. Okay. And Weebly does have SEO tools, but they're not as sophisticated as other providers. Okay. They do offer basic SEO features such as the ability to add page titles, descriptions, and keywords, as well as edit your website's URL structure. It also allows you to connect your website to Google Analytics. Okay. But it's not, overall, the SEO features are not as sophisticated as, let's say, Webflow or Shopify or Wix or other players. Okay. And so Weebly does have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, but there is a caveat here. It's only available on annual plans and does not include month-to-month plans. Okay. So you have to think about that. But overall, Weebly is a SaaS solution, software as service solution. So they do host your website for you. This means you don't have to worry about finding a web host or managing server hosting yourself. Okay. And again, it has the backing of a behemoth in the e-commerce world, which is Square. So yeah, overall, great solution, and we would gladly recommend it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, just want to quickly do a recap here. So I gave you a review of Weebly. So I give you an overview, the features, the pricing, the tools that you need to really pay attention to, the ease of use. We spoke about that, the alternatives, and the verdict, whether it's a go or no go. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.